Hi, I'm Chef Neil, Vita-Flow's Keto Chef. We're going to make some really great Keto Tempura Prawns. Preheat the deep fat fryer to 170 degrees. Take the MCT Pro-Cal, the well-beaten egg, the garlic, Chinese 7-spice, the chili, put it all together, mix well into a batter. Coat the prawns well, make sure all the batter's used. During the cooking process, they will sink to the bottom and then rise to the top. Once the prawn is rose to the top, flip it over and cook it for another 90 seconds. Lay the prawns on a plate and then serve with some mayonnaise.